All right, Jonathan again with Trading Research Group and taking a look at my B period ES trade. No longer trading oil this morning. My setups in oil for the morning are done, so we're focused just on my last morning setup in ES. The equities. Right now, everybody's down, so correlation-wise, we are definitely heading lower. 109 contracts at the low. It's a price rejector, but I don't think that's likely to be the last of it. Let's see here. Where would I want to get short to play? I think here I would do, actually, a tick lower. I'll get short there. I do like this for a short. That price rejector does not look like it's going to likely be the end, and we have not yet broken the overnight high or low, so probability at this point is pretty high that we're going to break this low. All right, there we go. I'm short. I'm playing a one lot right now in my eval because I don't want to risk giving back any substantial portion of my gains from this morning. This has been a tricky morning, but it's been working out. So let's see what else we can get. Kind of the same story in my cash account as well. I'm close to my daily goal in that account, but not quite there. So I'm pushing a little bit harder, a little bit further, see what we can get. I do think it's likely we're going to take out this low and possibly even get down to the overnight low. That would be actually pretty expected from a statistical probability standpoint. That is exactly what we would expect. So I'm looking to all this negative delta up here to protect me. Here we go. We have opened the B period in ES and wiggling around a little bit. Looks like we're going to wiggle lower, which is a good thing for me, for my trade. Let's see what we get here. Go ahead and pull this in. See if we can blow that low with some energy, with some aggression. I would love to see that. Here we go. Looking good, looking good. Blow that low, blow that low. Okay, we left UB. Cool. That's great. Happy with that. And resolve the UB. Go ahead, resolve it. You know you want to. Come on. I'm going to go ahead and, oops, hello. I'm going to take it. Oh, no, I'm going to try to take it. There we go. I'm just going to go ahead and tighten this up. If that's what I get, that's what I get. Okay, I'm happy with that. And this, if that's all it gives me, that's all it gives me. I don't like that we're not just pushing through this. We really should be, and we didn't. Okay. Don't love that, but, maybe I get a second bite. That UB should still want to resolve. I will go ahead and get one short one here. Not going to play my cash account again. Okay. I would add, if we could get up here, maybe even, okay. I will add here. There we go. All right, I'm now short 2, and I will take 1 off here. I'm leaning a little bit into some of my gains now, since I did pad my P&L a little bit more with that, taking that 1 off. But I'm certainly looking to this to hold me. Looking for a push south to the UB. I definitely think it's reasonable and even likely. Okay, so far this area is holding us. We're not getting a lot of energy to the downside either. That is okay. That was interesting. We poked our head up and then we got kind of swept down a couple ticks. Okay, the buyers are getting absorbed there. And there's a little push down. Okay, we're getting some energy to the downside now. If we can pick up some momentum to the downside. And it's looking like we could. Yep, here we go. All right, good. Looking good, looking good, looking real good. Here we go. Can I get one off ahead of this delta? And I think I will. It's looking good. Oh, no. Okay, knock it back. I'm going to take one off there. Just grab a few ticks. Come on. Take one off. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, come on. Give it to me. Okay, and this has got to hold. Okay. Min deltas overhead. All right, so far it's holding to the downside. Still like the UB down there. Okay, the buyers are getting absorbed, but they're pushing through. They're getting aggressive, but they're still getting absorbed. And okay, they're knocked back. Do have a price rejector in the pullback, but it's not a great one. Okay, oh, but they were absorbed and pushed down. All right. So the sellers are sitting up there and they're willing to sell it down, but the buyers are being very stubborn, not giving up. Okay, and again, it held. Okay, so the sellers really got to step on the gas here and take us lower, or I'm gonna have my doubts about this. But no, here it is. Okay, here comes some energy to the downside. See if they can keep it going. We've got a nice high volume node built up in the pullback bar, playing with the edges of it. We're just kind of ebbing and flowing around in that range, but we need to break out of it, preferably to the downside, please. I can make a request. That is my request. Downside breakout. Come on, sellers. Step on it. Buyers are being absorbed and again knocked down. Wow. Okay, so there are some significant sellers sitting up there. And so far, the buyers have not been able to overcome them. So I still think this is a short. I think we got some people selling to build their short positions up here. So when we go, I think we could go aggressively. Let's see. Here we go again, pushing up into here. So at this point, given how much this keeps holding, I'm still looking to this area as my last line of defense. min delta, basically. I'm not wild about the amount of heat I'm taking here, but I'm utilizing the leverage of the combine, of the evaluation, plus the fact that I had some profit to give back. So I'm playing with my gains from this morning. Maybe not the best tactic in a cash account, but for an evaluation, it does the job. Okay, here we go. Can we take one off? Can we take one off finally? All right, there we go. Got one off. Now I think we're ready to push the low. Let's see. And can we do it? Can we do it? It's looking like we might, but there's some buyers sitting here. They're trying to get overrun. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just protect. Whoops, hello. I'm going to protect this. Protect it here. Here we go. Here goes the low. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. That's lovely. And we're not done. We're not done. We're not done. Leave it there. There we go. We're done. All right. I'm out. Fantastic. Well, that gets me all the way up to actually well over my daily goal in the evaluation account and gets me comfortably to my daily goal in the cash account. So I am happy with that. That is 4 for 4 this week. 4 days out of 4, I have hit my daily goal. Although this is the first day I didn't hit it on the first trade. So today was challenging. Today was definitely a crazy day. And there's that continuation down to the break the low, the overnight low, and it's still trucking. So that was fun. That was a nice trade. I'm glad that worked out. It definitely got a little sketchy there for a bit, but just all signs pointed to short, so I had to just stick it out. So that's that. Gonna call it a day. Have a good one.